warning for northwestern Marion County, Wyandotte County, until 7 p.m. At 6:24 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located 5 miles east of Kenton and moving northeast at 65 miles an hour. This tornadic storm will be near Marseilles around 6:30 p.m. Upper Sandusky around 6:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic storm include Kirby, Harpster, and Nevada. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or closet.
A wind advisory.